Hands-on project. Redesigning daily tasks with AI automation. AI automation can be applied to everyday work by identifying repetitive tasks, redesigning them with intelligent systems, and piloting measurable improvements. Common focus areas include customer support, content creation, and data entry. A typical customer support ticket workflow involves receiving tickets, categorizing them, assigning them to agents, responding, and closing them. This process often includes many manual handoffs and repetitive triage steps. Common pain points include delays, misrouted tickets, inconsistent responses, and agent burnout. Support agents spend about 30% of their working time on repetitive ticket triage and routing. AI automation transforms this workflow by replacing manual triage with an AI layer. The system reads and categorizes tickets using natural language processing, automatically assigns tickets based on agent expertise and workload, and drafts personalized responses matched to customer tone. This results in faster compliance with service-level agreements and fewer errors. Resolution time can improve by about 50%, routing and response errors can drop by about 40%, and agents can focus more on complex, high-value interactions. In customer support, real-world tools show strong results. Some platforms automate IT support and resolve the majority of requests without human intervention. Other tools summarize conversations to help teams realign quickly after incidents. AI chatbots handle a large percentage of initial customer queries and escalate only when necessary. In content creation, AI tools are used to draft marketing copy, blog posts, and social media content in minutes, supporting rapid campaign ideation. Writing assistants improve clarity, tone, and grammar in real time, reducing editing cycles. As a result, content production time can drop by up to 80%, enabling faster launches and more frequent iterations. In data entry, AI-powered optical character recognition extracts structured data from invoices and forms with high accuracy, even from poor quality scans. Automation platforms then validate and route this data into enterprise systems such as ERPs and CRMs, reducing the need for manual reconciliation. Organizations report significantly fewer manual entry errors and processing times that are up to 3 times faster. To redesign a task with AI, the first step is to identify repetitive and rule-based tasks that are suitable for automation. The next step is to select tools that integrate well with existing systems. A small pilot should then be run, measuring key performance indicators such as time saved, error rates, and customer satisfaction. Successful automations can be scaled gradually while maintaining human review to ensure quality and trust. Key benefits of AI automation in daily work include saving time by eliminating busy work, improving accuracy through consistent processing, allowing employees to focus on creative and strategic activities, and enabling faster decisions through near real-time insights. AI automation is a practical and proven approach to improving daily workflows. Starting with a single high-impact task, measuring results, and scaling with proper governance can unlock productivity, reduce burnout, and create a more human-centered work experience. Hands-on project.